Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey guys, it's DIY number 1. I got this at Dollar Tree. It's a witch's metal wreath frame? Yeah, like a wreath frame or some sort of frame. Anyway, what I decided to do, because I was always, in my other ones, I would always just glue flowers to the wreath, and it was just a lot harder. So I decided to get a piece of cardboard, excuse me, and cut it out to the same size as the hat so that I could make this filled with flowers. And then I'm just using my Dollar Tree little box cutter, I guess you would say, and I'm going to now glue all of this wire to the cardboard piece. Okay, now I've got all these beautiful black roses from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start gluing them to the cardboard and the metal wire. And I did just take my wire cutters and cut the little piece off of the back of the rose, the little plastic piece. So I just cut those off so that I can glue them down flatter. So I'm not sure how many, I think it took 5 or 6 bunches, maybe 7 at the most. And now I'm going to take the little leaves that come on the stems, and I'm going to glue them to the edge so you can't see the cardboard. I'm taking some of the purple roses from Dollar Tree and some of their, I don't know what they call that, but it's almost like a tool to me, but I'm making bows out of that to bring out the purple in the flowers because it was too much black. I love the way this turned out. I mean, I love, love, love this. It's so pretty. I'll probably keep this for years. We need some scary music in the background. And there it is. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. I wish I had one for real on my head. I love the way this turned out. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Be pretty cool to have a hat like this too. One day I'm going to have a craft room. Right now it's my kitchen. Sorry. I love the way this turned out though. It's actually in my foyer on a door. Isn't it pretty? And there it is. Look how pretty this is. I love this. It turned out so pretty. I did use some fishing line to hang it with. I just put it through the metal part on the back so you can't really see the fishing line. And now we're off to DIY number 2. This is the Beware sign. It's made out of plastic. I got it at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to get some red paint and paint it like there's blood dripping everywhere. And I have these cute little glitter skeleton heads that came from Dollar Tree also. And I'm just going to embellish the little beware sign. You can see the strings of glue that goes with that. And it sort of looks like blood dripping down. And I've got this little spider that I'm going to actually glue onto the little beware sign. I like these because they stand up by themselves, so you can do a lot with these. And there's my little spider and the little skull heads. And there it is. It's got a little bat on it and some skull heads and a spider, and it's pretty spooky. I wish I'd have had like glow in the dark. That would be really cool. Next, DIY number 3. Is this cute little guy with a skull, and I'm going to put some gems in his eyes. And these are pretty easy projects to do. It's fun to do them. You can do them with your kids, except I don't know if I'd let my kids use the glue gun. There's the scary eyes. He's looking at you. Okay, I got this cute little pirate's hat that I actually got that from Spirit of Halloween, actually last year. Probably 50% off. And I also have this little black stand that came from Dollar Tree. It was already black. So I'm going to glue him to the stand. I have the little black cute little bow from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put that on the front of him like he's got a little bow tie. And I have a little skull head, no, eyeball to put on there. And there he is. He needs a name. You guys name him. Give me a comment below. We should name him. I'm going to streak him up with some blood like somebody cut him open. Yikes. Actually, maybe he fell and hit his head, right? Nobody really cut him open. Yeah, he fell off the shelf. He does look scary, though. Look at that mouth. Looks like he could eat you up. Look how cute he is. Oh, yeah. I guess he is a boy. Is he a boy? Yeah, he's a pirate. I don't know. He's got a feather sticking out of his hat. It could be a girl, too. He's creepy, though. He looks great on my shelf, doesn't he? Anybody could make that cute little monster. Skeleton head. And the hands reaching over him to get him. Day of the Dead. All right, DIY number 4. hey, if you like this channel, subscribe. Hit the like button and the notification bell, and it'll tell you when I will be uploading again. I can't believe my little daughter is walking back and forth into my video. And we couldn't cut her out. We tried to cut her out, but we couldn't. All right, I have a creepy sign, just like the beware sign, so I'm going to paint it with red. I have these creepy hands that I'm going to put on top of the creepy sign. I got these at Dollar Tree too. So I'm just going to glue them to the creepy sign because I'm decorating my kitchen. I already decorated my dining room. Did we put that dining room up, by the way? The dining room tour. All right, she's going to add the dining room tour sometime. I've done it like 2 weeks ago because it was the boy's birthday. So I decorated the dining room. We took a video, and I have been telling you guys that you're going to see it, but for some reason you haven't seen it yet. All right, that one's creepy too. Look at that little skeleton head. We got the spider. We got the hands. We got the bat. Ooh, creepy, creepy, creepy. Yeah, that looks good though, doesn't it? It does. And there's Mr. Skeleton. Yes, yes, yes. I like the way he looks. He looks like he's got Vaseline on his face, though. It's really shiny. He is creepy, isn't he? Day of the Dead. There's the beware sign. Pretty cool, huh? Easy too, guys. Easy, easy, easy. And there is my witch's hat. I think I want to get a witch's hat and actually glue flowers all over it. That would be really cool. I have quite a few in the basement. I might have to do that to wear. That would be a pretty cool hat to wear. Probably would be heavy, but I might have to make that. Wouldn't that be cool, Angelina?
Yeah, it would. I don't know how it would stand up straight, though.
I'll have to push it on our head. Anyway, thank you for watching. We love you. Be kind to everybody and yourself. And please subscribe because we love you. We really do. So we will see you in the next video, which should be shortly because she's working on videos for me. She really is. So thank you. Subscribe. Hit the like button and the notification bell. And have a great day. Bye.